So this is the pound dollar analysis for Friday the 9th of March. Now let's just have a look at what happened prices, where prices may look like. So, previously we saw prices come up towards this 400 period moving average just here. I've had a rejection and we had prices pretty much found resistance in around this 139 level. We weren't able to successfully break and hold above the 139 level for a retest of the 39.42. So what we eventually saw was sell side momentum coming to the market. As we weren't able to break and hold above the level, and we had sell side momentum bring us down towards this 38.57. So previously, when we came to 38.57, we had a bullish bounce. Again, we didn't trade all the way up. Let's put it another way. So we came down again towards this 38.57. We do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average. Prices retraced upwards towards this 139, rejected from the 139, and we did see sell side momentum taking us through this 38.57. So we trade below the 38.35, traded all the way down towards this 138. I did have sufficient momentum to take us down towards that 37.80, from which we did see some buy side momentum come back into this market. Currently we're trading above this 138 level, which we pretty much had some resistance at over here to your left. So we'll see whether we can hold on to this 138. If we do break down from this 138, we are looking for price head down towards this 137.50, a break from which we're looking for prices head down towards this 137.20. It is. Let's just make sure in around 137.20. If we do have sufficient volatility to the downside, we could potentially trade below this 137.20, our most recent swing low in the market. All the way down there, we could potentially see prices head down towards this 136.57. If, however, we are able to hold on to the, if we can find support at 138, we're looking for moves back up towards that 138.35 before heading up towards this 138.57. We do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average, which could potentially act as resistance as we're approaching from underneath, from which we could see further sell side momentum. If, however, we are able to successfully navigate the 38.35 as well as the 200 period moving average, we'll be looking to see our price reacting around the 38.57, which has acted as support. Could potentially act as resistance, but a break from there, we'll be looking for price head up towards that 139 level again here on the pound against the dollar. Now, if we do have sufficient market volatility, there is the potential for prices to trade above this 139.42 and trade all the way up to that 139.50. But I expect 139.50 is a bit far in the range to the upside of the pound against the dollar. We'll just have a quick look at the daily chart here before finishing up. Overall, on this daily chart, we can see we do appear a bit more bearish. Just bear with me a second here. So on this daily chart, we can see we've had our highs, lower high, lower high, lower high again, lower high. We've had a series of lower highs. So we are descending in prices. We are encountering descending resistance. So prices do seem poised for further downside momentum. So we do look poised again to test that 37.35. And if we do break from there, we're looking for prices to head all the way down towards this 36.57. Previously, we had support in around this level. So we'll see whether we do get that breakout either to the upside or the downside. But this increasing lower highs possibly suggests that we are poised for further downside continuation. But we do have to be aware that we are in a bit of a price contraction squeeze at the moment. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.